Whenever the middle voice form of a verb is used, the subject, aka the one who is doing the deed, who is doing the verb, he's the subject, she's the subject. That subject is seen as acting upon itself or for its own benefit. We call this subject affectedness. In other words, the subject of the verb, the one doing the action, is the one mostly affected by doing the verb. Are you getting it? Ek weet nie om dit nog duideliker te stel die Here, Kolossense 3 vers 13, en die woord wat Paulus hier gebruik, en die vorm veral, maak dit duidelik, dit herinner jou en dit herinner my, om te vergewe, soos wat die Here ons vergewe het, strek tot